You saw the title about the big announcement, so yes, this is that moment. First of all, thank you guys. Seriously, the Gordon Guitar family has grown to over 100,000 subscribers, and I get so much kind feedback from you guys. It really means a lot. But still, I need to be honest. Sometimes I ask myself if I should keep going. In this small YouTube world, it's very easy to get stuck staring at numbers, and motivation goes both up and down. Making new songs for you takes a lot of work. But every time I think about stopping, I realize that I would miss this. I genuinely enjoy this, so Gordon Guitar is not going anywhere. That said, I do need to refresh things a bit. And that brings me to the news. I'm starting a new channel, guys, and I need your help. Gordon Guitar has mostly been about new songs and what we call Wish Wednesday, where you request for songs. The new channel will be different. I will focus on older songs from, let's say, 60s, 70s, maybe older, all the way up to today. And instead of tutorials, I'll play the full song for you with chords shown in real time, a full playthrough. We all connect more deeply to music from certain periods. For me personally, that's music from the 90s to, let's say, early 2000s, because that is when I grew up and really started to loving music. You probably have your own era too, and therefore I believe this channel will be something for everybody who could connect emotionally to the music that is played here. And I also got some new guitars for refreshment on this specific channel, some new members to bring in. So, what is the name? Since I want to connect my new channel to the existing Gordon Guitar, and since the new channel is about older songs, the new channel's name is Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago. So yes, Gordon Guitar now has a little sibling, and it really needs your help, guys, to grow strong. 6 Strings Ago is already live with, in speaking moment, 1 video uploaded, and we'll test uploading a couple of videos per week. We will see where we land with that. There's no official wish list yet, but your comments will absolutely influence what I play in the future, so take the opportunity and be active on 6 Strings Ago. Thank you again, everyone, for everything so far. I've been blessed to have you by my side, and now I'm asking you guys, all my subscribers and supporters, to take a sidestep to my secondary YouTube channel, Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Go and check out that channel and subscribe. Your support makes all the difference. And as always, play tuned.